Alright, now we're back at the rear of the car. We're going to change the diff fluid. So again, same thing. You'll want to loosen the fill plug first, and that's the fill plug. Alright, fill plug. Is loose. Now the drain. Okay. Oh gosh, I can already smell the sulfur, guys. Angle you down. Ooh, no splash. Oh yeah, and then this is the Lucas Oil synthetic 75 W90 diff fluid, same thing, the GL5. Alright, so the same thing for the front, or I mean the transmission. Only difference up there is I have the, again, the Valvoline premium full synthetic diff fluid in the bag, so I don't have to use that pump. And it takes 1.5 quarts. Okay, there we go. It's coming out the hole. So have to put the bolt back on. Alright, so there's the differential. Got the GenCoupeStore.com Sideways Guru magnetic drain bolt on there. Tightened up the fill plug. That's it.